Hello class, this is Professor Trapani, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new ePortfolio in the new ePortfolio interface. This is a mandatory assignment by the business department that must be completed for people working organizations BTI121. Unless you took your first year seminar class last semester, you probably do not have a new core ePortfolio. Therefore, it is very simple to create one. Just follow these steps. So I am going to sign in to ePortfolio, sign into ePortfolio any way that you do. And once it comes up, this is the way I get in, but again, you'll sign in to your ePortfolio, education, which will be a screen that looks like this. Once you're in this screen, you will click on the Create button. You can skip the intro, click on Use New, type in your name, you can type in ePortfolio if you'd like, and then choose the Business and Technology Core ePortfolio template. If you are obviously a business major, which all of you are, once you do that, just go to the bottom here and click Create. It is now going to create a new ePortfolio. Once it creates the new ePortfolio, you'll see this is saying it's all done. Everything has been created for you. The first thing you want to do is just hit Publish Changes immediately. Once you do that, it'll say your changes have been saved. You will now see a core ePortfolio in your ePortfolio list that you can go into. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like. So once you're in here, the only assignment that you have to complete is you go to Planning, Mid-Stage, and Career. And if you click on that, you'll see that here it says Career Planning Mid-Stage Instruction Slide. This is the instructions to complete the assignment for this course. And it basically is going to ask you several questions. All you have to do is answer these questions and then hit Save for your core ePortfolio. Okay? If you want a little extra credit or something, you may want to stick a picture here, make it look nice. For example, if you and basically, what is the assignment all about? The assignment is about you thinking about, since you've taken your first year seminar class, whether it be a year ago, 2 years ago, or 3 years ago, how has your thinking changed about career choices? And if you remember completing the SWOT analysis in your first year seminar course, how did your SWOT analysis help you think about career choices? Okay. Also, it's going to ask you questions about an internship, if you've done one or not. If you haven't done an internship, that's fine, but talk about why you haven't. It's okay to say that. If you're working, state that. If you like what you do, state that. Whatever the case may be. If you want to do an internship at a 4-year school, state that. The key is to just be as open and honest and direct as you can, answering the questions. Okay? And then lastly, what are some of the resources available at LaGuardia that you may have leveraged to help support your career choices and goals? Sorry, guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to go here and I'm going to click this Edit button. And in here is where I can simply type. Okay? What I probably want to do first is get rid of all this junk here. Okay? And obviously you guys You can do that on your own. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, and then you type away. So as for the first question, how have you been able to narrow down your career options from 3 choices to 2 or 1 choice? I'm just going to say after taking several business courses at LaGuardia, I found an interest in BTM102 Principles of Finance. The course helped me learn about blah, 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 and you can type away, and motivates me to want to learn more so that I can enter the field of finance. Okay? So on and so forth. You can label them. You can answer all the questions in essay format. Just make sure you address all the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Once you are completed with that, you can simply go up to the top and hit Publish Changes. Once you have done that, it says here this ePortfolio is set to be private by default. Would you like to change its permissions? You definitely want to change these permissions where it says private to me. You want to make it you could keep it at private within CUNY, so only people at CUNY, and also to share it with me. That is extremely important so that I can make sure that you get a grade for this. Okay? Once you've done with that, you can save the settings, and it's publishing, and it will be complete, and that's what it would look like once it is complete. All right? Again, you may want to add a picture of a career that you're interested in, anything that makes you think about that career. If it was finance, maybe something about the stock market. Make it look good. That will help with the grade on this as well. Okay, any questions? You can certainly email me or come see me during my office hours. Thanks so much for your attention.